crafters. This is Beth from Nona Beth's Crafts to Be on YouTube and Etsy, and I wanted to go ahead and just show you a journal I received from a junk journal swap on Facebook. There's a group that I belong to, and the theme of it was a 9x6 junk journal, and this is the one that I received. It is 6 by 9 inches. So that was the size that was given to us. The theme was between the two swappers, and I told her I love vintage and, you know, the old style and all the cute little, you know, burlaps and you know, just this type of material. I just, you know, just the feel of it. It's pretty chunky, actually. And she did the tie closure with a little piece of fabric here. She went ahead, I already peeked through it, of course. I couldn't wait. Once I got it, I was just like, I cannot wait. I'm going to go through it, and I did. Now, let me put that in frame here so you guys can see the whole lovely thing. Hopefully you are not like out of frame. Hopefully, maybe a little, I don't know. Oh, too close. Sorry about that. Okay, so here in California, we are having really strange weather. Just a little tidbit. We have been cold one week, kind of cold, mild, spring type of temperatures. Now, what I noticed about the journal was the time that she put into making this journal, and I love it. She put this cute little pocket here. Sorry about my sniffling. Like I said, it's kind of cold, and when it's cold, I get the little sniffles, and that's why I went on this little, you know, explanation of why the weather's here in California, which really strange. A lot of you guys are probably saying, "Ha, nothing compared to 30s." No, but I love cold weather. I really love the cold weather. It's the heat that gets to me. So I'm not complaining about the cold weather. I'm just don't like that. I don't know if I should put my sweats away and put my shorts back on, or put my shorts away and leave my sweats out. I don't know. So here we don't have a season where you put your certain seasonal clothing away. We keep it all out for the rest of the year, because you never know what's going to come. Back to the journal. And here she included this cute little pocket. I can stash some little cute little notes in there for later referencing, and I'm doing that. Then she put this wooden, this is a wood piece. You can see that. Wood piece, and it says memories. You want to remember certain things, and I'm thinking of putting probably a picture down here. There's a little cluster at the top with a lot of detail that she put into putting it together. Here's a little tuck spot with a bugler and a stamp. I believe it's a stamp from a recent one, and a blue little tie there. Vintage paper, kind of vintage making looking paper. Lots of paper. I love these patterns. The damask and the old Victorian type of paper is something that I really love. I'm hoping you guys are getting this, because hold on a minute. I'm sorry, I'm back. Okay, what I was saying is that love this type of material pattern. The damask and this kind of Victorian look, and it has a feeling to it. It has a texture to it. She put another tuck spot, an older photograph. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah. And it says, "With my heart," a little tuck spot there. Couple of pages. There's a Christmas reflection page with a place for my picture. More places for pictures. Little tuck spots. Vintage looking jars filled with tools, I believe. Yeah. It's like a watchmaker's shop there with all that. And another Just Think little poem. More pages. This one here has the same kind of texture with the bird and the clock, and those watches you used to have. Hug in a mug, yes, tea, coffee, hot cocoa, apple cider, perfect. Yesterday I had some hot cocoa with a cornbread. The taste mixture is really, trying to get this into frame. If you see me moving it around, it's because of that. And there's a line paper, this paper, cardstock, and then this cute little tea cup that is so cute. Oh yeah, it was supposed to be a touch spot. It has like a little flower there, mason jar, pasteurized milk, more coffee. Love coffee. Oops, I just tore that. A little note page. Look how cute. Little note. Maybe it was, torn back in the day, and you kept a piece of that note. Kind of makes me feel that way. And some more pages to put my, oh gosh, I'm sorry, sleepy and tired. I don't know what's going on. More pages here to put notes, write a little journal there, some pictures. There's like a little news clip there. There's a lady with her hat. Little kids pictures, and it says believe. And here's like little words there, flowers, loving the flowers. An older picture, if you guys can see that. It's an older picture. And roses. I guess my swap partner really does know what I like. I really love this. If you're watching this, thank you so much. Ledger paper, some more paper where I can put pictures. This where I can write a journal. Little piece of paper where I can journal down some words, some thoughts. More pictures, a couple of doilies where I can probably write a note here, probably put a small little picture here of an event, a picture with actually a black and white or a, what is that, sepia picture would look really nice right here. This one says values, so little encouraging words. Now what I liked about this is that this junk journal can easily be put into like a type of traveler's notebook insert. That's what I'm kind of getting the feeling of, that I can put it in there, and this could be added to others that I can probably make. So lots of paper to put my, let me check my battery. Lots of paper to journal and add pictures, a picture and journaling, a small picture up here, and then she included these recipe cards. I believe 2 of these. The back, which I love to write down some recipes, especially the fall weather. This looks like they're, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Bible pages. Let me see. I believe, or it's a, I don't know, Daniel Interpreth. Yeah, it looks like a Bible pages. Really adorable because they're so tiny. More text spots. He even included a cute little clip that has, let me see if you can see that, a heart little clip. That's so adorable. Thank you so much. Where'd you find that at? Little cute pops of color here and there. Journaling little cards, placemats, place cards, or bookmarks. And there's a little tuck spot here, tuck spot there. Perfect for me to just tuck little hidden notes everywhere someday, probably 5 years when I've forgotten I've had it, and go back and look at all the little tuck spots and see if I actually put anything in there. She put some cheesecloth here with the little pop of color. You turn that and you got more little tuck spots. Adorable. I love that. Here and there she sprinkled little colors. Here's a little booklet. You open it up. A little verse from the Bible. I love that. Pictures. And I can always take it off and put my own picture if I want. And then journal in the back. It's a cute little birdie. More pages to put pictures and journal. Look at those tea sets. Tea and gravy sets and place sets. Look at that. You can even look at the, yeah, I think it has the Elite Bavarian China. $16. Wow. More pages to journal and write things and put pictures, peace, little pops of flowers everywhere, and cheesecloth. And this comes out, it's a little envelope, and you can put another secret note in there. This is adorable. You tuck it in with the envelope flap, and coming towards the end, there's a little flap there, a little tuck spot, more pages, and there's the back of this page that I love so much. If you can see that, it's in frame. Okay, and here's another page to put more journaling, and just in the back, memories of the year, looking back. You know, something like that. And then the back has the green, and it's got the lace with a little bit of shiny green. I hope you guys can see that. And that is my journal. Now, the job is not complete until you have written in your journal and finished up, so you can look back someday. Here at the front, I'm going to put like a little nameplate with the year I started it. Or in the month and the date, and see how long it takes me to fill it up. Thank you so much to my junk journal swap partner. I appreciate it so much. I didn't want to mention your name because I didn't know if that was okay, but you know who you are, and if you're watching this, thank you so much for this. Okay guys, coming to the end now, fellow crafters, this is an amazing thing. If you can make one and probably give it to somebody, a little bit of instructions if they don't know what junk journaling is, go ahead and do that for this Christmas season that's coming up. A lot of people will like to go ahead and probably write their thoughts down instead of in a notebook. But that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, number one. Number two, if you do subscribe, please click on that little bell so you can see when I'm uploading new videos. It should be more constantly this November. I am supposed to keep up with it. And don't forget to comment and like. That keeps me knowing that you guys want more content of different things. Now, the whole YouTube channel of mine is about crafting, things I'm gonna craft, things that I want to craft, or things that other people have crafted and given to me on a swap or as a gift. So I'm trying to bring more content to the channel. Stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys later.